cold start. Honda. Honda CB750 K1. This bike is amazing. It's 100% top restored with the original exhaust and beautiful paint. The seat is new old stock. Yes, I never saw a CB750 K1 as beautiful as this one. Also, the engine is completely rebuilt and it's done by the professional, a specialist in CB750s. I'm going to show you the bike in every detail. Look at this paintwork. Not a dent, not a scratch. Like came from the factory. This exhaust is new old stock. Chain also new. Not a spot on this bike. Nice red still. So if you are looking for a CB750 K1 and you want to have a K1 that is perfect like new, you don't have to look anymore because this is the one, and it could be yours if you're interested. You can visit my website www.vintagemotorcycles.nl. You can follow me on Instagram, vintagemotorcycles.nl. You can follow me on Facebook, vintagemotorcycles.nl. So, as you know, this bike is very popular. I want it, and a bike in this condition, yeah, will be sold quickly. So don't hesitate to ask me questions. I can send you video, detailed pictures and information about the price. You can also call me on 0031 629 563 746. Thank you for watching this video.